guys, welcome to another video. I'm gonna do a little update on this car. So I've gotten this paint pretty well polished up. Hey, kind of see my reflection there. I did a video on how to polish paint, and since then I've just been kind of finishing things up. So today, what I'm gonna show you kind of how to do is I'm gonna use a Q-tip to touch up some little scratches. So like here you can see a chip. And that's from me dropping the hood because I'm an idiot. What I'm gonna do is mix up a little bit of paint. I still have just a tiny bit left from the spraying of the car. So I'll mix it up, the 8:2:1 ratio, just like normal, except just a really small amount. All right, so I've cleaned up the spot with a microfiber. Got my paint right here. Get a little bit on my Q-tip. Just barely a little bit, I mean, really nothing. Just gonna barely touch it. Then I'm gonna use the dry side to kind of get it kind of spread around. What I don't want is to put too much on and have it drip. So that's why I'm being really careful about how much I get on there. And there you have it. Our little chips are gone-ish. I mean, you can definitely still see the spot. Once that dries, I'll probably sand it out slightly and then repolish. Some of these little spots that were just thin spots, I went over them too. So after it all dries, I'll just go over it with a round of wet sanding. So there you have it. That's kind of a little trick. Nothing too fancy. Another little update on this car is the engine's back. Check it out, guys. It's clean and nice, ready to go. This is the original 1200 cc engine that came in this car. Built by VW's Air Cooled in Billings, Montana. They also did the transmission for us. So I've already got that back in the car, and I've started to run brake lines. And then I'm almost done rebuilding the rear brakes. So nothing too fancy, just original stock parts. But we got all new hardware and all new shoes and everything like that. So the car will be rolling fairly soon, which I'm pretty happy about. Pretty funny right now, I've got that Mondo off-road tire on it because the wheels are color matched. So they'll have a chrome hubcap, so it'll be red with chrome for the wheels. And I just haven't put them on yet. So that's why I have a big old fat off-road tire on one side. So yeah, there you have it. Progress on the bug.